Congratulations on being one of the first to get the new Vortex Razor Spotting Scope. This scope is packed with features, packed with accessories in the box, and to add to those accessories, we at Skope have partnered with Vortex to include a C3 optic adapter in each box. Along with that is going to be a promo code card linking you to our website for a discount when you buy your Scope case. Go along with that, if you choose to get some more accessories, spend over $100, we are going to include a free C3 lens cap. This will lock right onto the C3 adapter. So if you choose to leave this on your scope, your lens is always protected. A couple accessories to choose from that we have lots. I'm just going to give you a few options. First, our sunglasses. Skope branded sunglasses, polarized, stylish. We have a few different models, lens colors. This is a great option to get you a little closer to that $100. Next is going to be our Bino Bandit. Blocks out the sun, wind. And last but not least is going to be our Pyro Putty that I'm going to show you today. Pyro Putty, this is our elite lighter. I don't know if you can see that arc up. This thing is awesome to have in your chest pack at all times, in your pocket, vehicle, four-wheeler. Just a great option to get you closer to that $100 for your free gift. Check it out at phonescope.com.